Hello my friends, today I have another logo design template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. The template you can download on my blog, and the link for my blog will be under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. And then you can just drag and drop logo design number 2. Connect to the media out. Wait few seconds to render and you will get the logo design. Ungroup, and as you can see, this one is fairly simple. First note here is if you wish to add something else, of course, and then when I click here you will see design, this shape, and for this circle shape, and all this is go inside the duplicate. When I click on the duplicate, it will rotate and it will go like this. Copies you can change here, you can change the size, whatever you wish, of course. And then of course you can have text. And one more note here for adding something else, background, and when I click here it will be finished logo design. This one for the background is gradient, you can change of course, and I will always go inside the media out. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.